Today we're learning how to divide polynomials using synthetic division. Synthetic division is a process that makes use of numerical coefficients in dividing polynomials, in which the divisor is a binomial in the form x minus c. These are the steps in dividing polynomials using synthetic division. 1. Arrange the coefficients of the dividend in descending powers of x, placing zeros for the missing terms. The top row contains the coefficients of the dividend in descending power of x. On the leftmost, separated by an inverted L shape, put the value indicator. Third, bring down the leading coefficient below the line. This will be the leading coefficient of the quotient. Multiply the number below the line to the value indicator. Place the product below the coefficient of the next term of the dividend. Add the 2, that would be the next coefficient of the quotient. Repeat step 4 until the last number below the line is obtained. Write the quotient. The quotient is 1 degree lower than the dividend. The last number in the quotient side is the remainder. Find the quotient using synthetic division. N to the fourth minus 5n cubed minus 29n squared minus 61n minus 18 divided by n minus 9. Give it a try and play the video whenever you're ready for the solutions. Find the quotient using synthetic division. First, we need to make sure that the terms are arranged in descending powers. And yes, they are. Our divisor is n minus 9, so the c value here is positive 9, not negative 9. And that is our value indicator. Now we need to write down the coefficients of our dividend. N to the fourth has a coefficient of 1. The next term has a negative 5. Next, we have negative 29, negative 61, and then negative 18. The first thing that we need to do is bring down the leading coefficient 1, and that becomes the leading coefficient of our quotient. Now we need to multiply 1 by 9, and that is 9. Now we need to add negative 5 plus 9, and that is 4. Now we need to multiply 4 by the value indicator 9, and that's 36. Adding negative 29 and 36, that's 7. We multiply 7 by 9, that's 63. Adding negative 61 plus 63, that's 2. And then 2 times 9, we have 18. Adding negative 18 and 18, that's 0. The last number here is our remainder. So that means there is no remainder for this problem. And to write the answer, the quotient is always 1 degree less than our dividend. The highest power for our dividend is a 4, so our answer will begin with a third power. So we will have 1n to the third power, or simply n cubed. And then we have the second power, it's positive 4, so we write down 4n squared. Next, we will have positive 7, so we have n to the first. And then we will have the constant 2. So the quotient is n cubed plus 4n squared plus 7n plus 2. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.